This is an omelet and some potatoes from my cafeteria, the cafeteria in my office building. I get this practically every day because the omelet is really delicious. It's got everything. It's got cheese. It has all sorts of meats and assorted veggies. It's got spinach, onions, tomatoes. In terms of meat, it has sausage, bacon, and ham. Oh, and it's also got some mushrooms. This is really delicious. Delicious. This omelet is so easy to make and takes no time at all. All the veggies, the diced ham, cheese, and egg mix come from these bins. The sausage and bacon come from here. It cooks under the cover a couple of minutes or so, and then it's done. This omelet is just always just so wonderful. I'm just gonna show. You've already seen a video of how it was made. I tried to reproduce this at home using the same ingredients, but it just didn't taste the same. It didn't taste as good. When I taste just the egg, it's pretty bland, not much flavor. So it's not like they put something special in the egg mix. And the veggies are completely bland. So the only thing that's giving this omelet its salty flavor are the meats, the sausage, ham, and bacon, and the cheese. The egg mix didn't have any salt in it, nor the veggies, which were just raw veggies, and the guy didn't add any salt or any other flavor enhancer while cooking. The only thing he always does, which I didn't do at home, was to add some water and let the omelet finish cooking under a lid, which I think has the effect of both grilling and steaming the omelet at the same time. Anyway, the conclusion is that anyone can make delicious omelets.